Hello, hello, my beautiful Aries. Welcome to your reading for the month of September, Aries. Aries, this is a general reading for your sign for the month of September. You will get guided messages from the universe for your career, love, and finances. So let's begin. Page of Pentacles. The Empress, Page of Swords, a lot of page energy, a lot of maybe somebody young is connecting to with you. I just put the somebody is that you're connecting with, or maybe you are very young in age, or maybe by heart, maybe at heart you are very young, and the energy that I'm getting here is of earth sign. So you might be connecting with a Taurus, you might be connecting with a Aquarius, and with the Empress you might be connecting with a Taurus. So a Taurus, you're connecting Aries. There is a Taurus around you who's bringing you this new beginning in career or in your relationship. The World card, there is an opportunity which is coming overseas. There is a lot of competition around you, my dear Aries. So please beware, and you need to try and work on your skills, because so Queen of Wands, and the bottom of the deck is the Hierophant. So Aries, what I'm getting here, I'm getting too many scenarios, too many thoughts, too many, thing here. So currently you are in a state in your professional life maybe where there is a lot of competition. So there is a lot of younger generation which is around you, and you are feeling a little incompetent. Though you are not, because you are the Empress, you are full of talent, you are full of whatever you are doing, you are complete. You are an Empress, so you are full of ideas, you are creative, you are best in your own way. So even if you are from an old school, and you are not able to compete with this younger generation which is using Chat GPT and AI and all that, but your experience is what counts, and that is what is important for the current profile that you're in. So do not get bogged up by the young generation and the competition which you're facing right now. Just focus on yourself, just go within and gather your strengths from within, and once you understand and figure out what your strengths are, you will there is no looking back. So this competition here, there is a lot of competition right now around you. There is a lot of people who want to pull you down by in your work scenario, and please do not be bothered. That's the message that I'm getting, because your experience is what counts. Let me clarify. Universe, please show me what I need to know. Yes, King of Pentacles. So this is again a financial energy that I'm getting. There is somebody who is Taurus again, who's around you. There's a lot of Taurus energy. Somebody, maybe an authoritative figure, maybe your boss is a Taurus, maybe the person who is troubling you is a Taurus, and yes, with this Six of Swords, universe is asking you to just, maybe if you're getting a new opportunity and you are not feeling comfortable in the current scenario that you're in, you can just take this opportunity which you are getting and move ahead. Okay, so there is a Queen of Pentacles. So maybe there is a King of Pentacles who's helping you to get this new opportunity. It might be an opportunity which is coming around you. Yes, look at this. And the bottom of the deck is Eight of Pentacles. A lot of pentacle energy that I'm getting here, and with this divine counterpart, with this divine connection. So there is somebody who is in your surrounding, who is a King of Pentacle, who is a Taurus, and you are also a queen in your own self. So do not get bothered by what the competition around you is, because your experience is what that matters. You are good in whatever you are doing, and people are recognizing that. This King of Pentacle is recognizing that, and they're offering you this partnership, which is going to take you to your ultimate happiness. With the world travel, this is an overseas opportunity maybe that you're getting, or it is some place which is a new place for you. You're maybe moving cities, maybe moving countries, and this with sun. The sun is the ultimate happiness in the tarot, and this is a positive sign that you're moving towards your happiness with this new partnership. And maybe this person who is helping you out is, maybe there might be a connection at later stage that I'm getting, that might turn into something more than professional relationship. So my dear Aries, do not hesitate, do not get bothered by what the people currently around you are telling you. You are a complete package. Do not doubt yourself for a single minute. Your happiness is awaiting. Future is filled with happiness, abundance, love, and money. All right, my dear Aries, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in your next reading. Bye bye.